in Porbandar. This is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. Such a simple place in Porbandar. It's a very congested area right here. And such a small place, a humble beginnings of Mahatma Gandhi. This is the house where he was born. Birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, I'm going to go inside and show you where he was born. All that spots I can show you now. Just let us enter. This is Mahatma Gandhi's house. Just I'm entering in his house. So this is the house of Gandhiji. You can read it. The house where the Mahatma Gandhiji was born was purchased in 1777 AD by his great-grandfather Harjivanji Rahide Daji Gandhi from local lady Manbai Gandhiji. Grandfather Uttam Chandji carried out some changes and made it a two-story building course of time. One more story was added to the main building, and in the time Gandhiji was born, 2nd October 1869 AD, it was a 3-floor building, now consists of 22 rooms including passage. The walls of some of the rooms are decorated with paintings. So this is the house, 3-story building. For this time Mahatma Gandhi must have been very, very rich man to own a 3-story building. Look at this. All this old doors and windows, very fancy stuff. Look at that. It's all big house, like a museum today. So this is the Mahatma Gandhi's house. I am just entering in Mahatma Gandhi's house now. So this is the threshold and this house entrance, and you find a picture of Mahatma Gandhiji and his wife Kasturba right here at the threshold. This is the threshold. I think we enter into the Mahatma Gandhiji room right here. This is the birthplace of Mahatma. This is the place where he was born. Birthplace. It was in this room exactly the palace bearing the swastika mark that poor little boy gave birth to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, fourth child on the 2nd October 1869, the 12th day of the dark of Bhadrapada of 1925 Vikrama Samvat. So this is the place exactly Mahatma Gandhi was born. Maybe as a small child he must have watched all this ceiling. Look at that. All this ceiling. I'm going to show you the floor where he was born. Right here. See? This is the room. That is the Gandhi's picture. This is the room where he was born. Exactly. Yes. So this is the ceiling all. It's excellently beautifully decorated. You must have seen that. And this is the staircase to the first and second floor. It goes on and on. And just I'm going to lead you at the back door of Mahatma Gandhi's house. Right here, it is the back door of Mahatma Gandhi's house. This is a big house for his time. This is the Mahatma Gandhi's back of his house. It's a lovely place. This is the place where backyard. And come here, nice garden here. Plenty of space, green space. Gandhi grew up rich, there is no doubt. And this is the backyard of Gandhi's house. I'm filming from the back. So this is a Kirti Mandir, they call it today, a big museum. So this is the excellent house of Mahatma Gandhi. I am in Porbandar, Gujarat. My name is Father Rayappa. Have a nice day. Thank you. God bless.